All right. Hey guys, what's up? It's Stephen Dunn with Core Therapy and Pilates. I'm the founder of Pilates for PTs, and today I'm going to do a little dive into Google My Business, something I've learned recently and been applying recently. So what we're going to do real fast is talk about Google My Business. Now, Google My Business, every month I get an email showing me how many people have been to my website, how many people have taken action, things like that. But what I started doing was I started putting some posts out, and I started putting some pictures out on Google My Business, and basically using it as if it was like Facebook or something like that. So with that said, I want to first of all share my screen. Now, when I share my screen, I think it's gonna I don't think I'm gonna be able to see myself or what exactly I'm doing, so bear with me. I'm gonna be watching on my phone down here too. That's another reason why I set that up. So I'm gonna share my screen here, and then we're gonna go into my dashboard. All right. Now let's see here. We're probably on a little bit of a delay, but here's my dashboard. I'm not sure. Yeah, it looks like it is showing. Now it's showing on a half a screen. Okay, so you may not be able to see it completely, but we're going to try this out. This is my first time playing around with this on Be Live, but let's go. So Core Therapy and Pilates, Google My Business, and what this is my home page for it. And it basically will show me that I've got 2.44 thousand views in the last month, and out of the searches and activity. So it'll show me some information there. It'll show me my number of reviews. It'll show my most recent review that just came in. I hadn't seen this one. It just popped in. Nice. Thanks, John. And it goes through some different scenarios here. But what I want to now go to is go to the post. So I'm clicking on the post. And here's a post that I put up a little while back. Now, I haven't got a lot of hits on it, not many views on it, 3 views, not much. But it's just something that I copied and pasted. Actually, I take it back. That was on an hour update. I got 7 views on this on my free report. I'm announcing a teens class here. We've got 65 views on that. Talking about tips for back pain. We've got 76 views on that. So again, these are just posts. 173 views on our COVID update. And these are posts that I'm putting out not as frequently as I want, but November 8th was my last one. September 24th, I think it looks, yeah, September 24th, September 15th, September 15th, June 1st. So again, I'm just kind of getting back on this, but I want to go to the pictures because the photos is something that I've been putting more recently. And I've been putting them pretty specifically. And you have an overview here. You have a video section where I put a video in of our Pilates for Teens class and a fast forward. It's got the interior. So here is a video I put out 2 days ago. It's got 3 views. 4 days ago, 7 views, so on and so forth. But as we get down, and this is all interior, so I'm taking interior shots of the studio showing all of the things that we have. But I'll go back to, because some of these will get, they'll get some traction. Here's something from 6 days ago, got 38 views. That's quite a bit, 40 views. These two are quite a bit more views than the other ones that we've looked at so far. Here's one from a week ago, 58 views. And again, these are just interior pictures, and I'm going in and I'm putting a couple in every few days. Okay, now here we go back to 2019. Okay, so here, this is my last picture that I put in a week ago. So I've started this a week ago, basically. But if we go back to 2019, this picture's got 600 views, 200 views, 900 views, 1.1 thousand, 5.5 thousand from 2018. Let's see what has the most. 4,000 from 2018. Here's one from with 18,000 views since 2016. Yeah, I had no idea of that. So here's one with 80,000 views since 2016. All right, so those are the views of interior. Here's exterior. I've got what it looks like as you walk up my front door. Here's some pictures of us at work, doing some stuff in the studio. And here we go, from 2018, 1.2 thousand views. So people are seeing this stuff. So that's really what I want to share today. And these are videos showing, or pictures showing us, the team working in the studio. I thought I had more than that, but that's what I got. Oh, here we go. Here's the team. Different pictures, different stuff. And I just wanted to share this. Again, here from a week ago, 63 views. That's probably a week ago, 45 views. So, but the key to this is now I'm going to go to my email. and I've typed in Google My Business, and I want to show you what has happened since I've started posting this. Well done, Core Therapy and Pilates. Your photo got 50 views. So they're telling me that congratulations for posting this, and that they're telling me to add more. They're telling me, hey, we like this. Keep doing this. So if you look here, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 well done videos or emails from Google and just in November and half a month. So every few days they're sending me an email telling me good job for putting out that information. So that is my Google My Business dive for today. I know there is a ton more information. And let me get back to here. I know there's a ton more information on it, but that's what I've been playing around with for a short time. And I just wanted to share that with you because I do think that that is something of value when it comes to keeping up on the search engine when it comes to Google. So if you have any questions or comments, put them below. I can't see who hopped on. A few of y'all hopped on, and I don't see who it is at the moment. It's not showing me, but thank you for those that hopped on. Again, any questions, comment below. And I'd love to know what your thoughts are. Are you using Google My Business? Are you putting information on it? Are you putting pictures on it? I'm sure there's more to do. I'm going to learn more about it, but that's what I'm doing so far. Putting some posts, but pictures, mostly pictures right now. And that's my message for today. And I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. It's gorgeous here in Austin today. It's sunny and beautiful, a little brisk and cool. So y'all stay well, and I'll see y'all soon.